Hey, so this is my video for the decision-making activity. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. um, but anyways, so you have to pick two people that you would let go, and I think that the two people that I would let go are Bob and Amy, just because I value what's it called, tenure with an organization higher than like someone who just came in. So both of them, well, Amy has only been with the company for 1 year, and Bob has been with the company for 2 years. So they don't really have much build up at the company, so I think that you could let them go easier than someone such as Craig, who has been there for 10 years. Also, Amy's job performance is only average and Bob's only good. So there's a lot more people who have like excellent job performance or job skill, rather. So then also another reason why it would be kind of more easy to let Bob and Amy go is because they have well, Amy has no kids and she's married, so she obviously has someone else to like rely on. And Bob has two grown kids, so they should be taking care of themselves. And he's married, so someone else to rely on. And that is why I made those decisions.